So you already know that everything that we do on this channel is for free. Everything that we do on this channel is for free. So today I've got good news for you. If you're looking for the Sophia 2.0 Forex robot for both MT4 and MT5, download with the link in the description box below. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to set it up. Easy peasy. But if you're going to download it, the link is in the description box below. And everything that we do on this channel again is what? For free. So if you still want more free robots, tools and stuff like that, visit the links in the description box below. You can download other tools and stuff, robots as well, that you can use in your trading. By the way, if you are new on this channel, consider subscribing. Go ahead and subscribe. That's how you are not going to miss future videos. So subscribe. Like this video. It shows me if I should continue doing these things for you guys or if I should stop. So go ahead and like the video or give it a thumbs down, whatever you feel like. At least if you give it a thumbs down, well, tell me why you gave the video a thumbs down. But anyway, so one of my friends over the weekend gave me the Sophia 2.0. Honestly, to be honest, I am yet to test it. I'll test it maybe during this week. But I looked at his charts. It was working, so they gave me the robot. So I'm sharing it with you guys. So in this video, we are just going to go into how we are going to test it, how to install it. Sorry. We are going to install it. So what you're going to do is click on the link in the description box below. I cannot guarantee that that link is going to be permanently there. I'm probably going to remove it at some point, maybe end of the day today, or maybe tomorrow, or before the end of the week. Who knows? But it's not a guarantee that that link is going to be there permanently. I know many people want this robot and stuff. Anyway, so what you're going to do is after downloading that robot, then you are going to go to your download folder. Let's do this downloads folder. I will double click in there. So I just unzipped it. It's going to be in a zip folder. So you're going to right click and unzip it, whatever program that you use to unzip it. So I have already unzipped it, so there's no more need for me to unzip it again. Okay, so this is what you're going to see when you unzip the folder. There is going to be all these folders. There is for MT4, there is for MT5. I'm just going to show you how to set it up on MT4. If you are on MT5, I think it's a similar process. It's going to be straightforward for you. I know for MT5 and MT4 sometimes the folders are in different locations, but it's simple. It's simple. You should be able to do this. So first of all, you are going to go in indicators. Let's double click in there. You see there's nothing for us for MT4. The indicators that are in there are actually for MT5 guys. So the MT5 guys are going to go into their MQL5 folder and look for the indicator folder or whatever. So then MT4, we have the robot folder. So this is, you already know, you have seen in classic forex trader talking about small screen, big screen. So all the executable files are in there. MT5, same thing. All the executable files are in there. Then there is a template. I think it's for MT4 and MT5 as well. Then there's libraries. This is for MT4. This is for MT5. So what I observed when my friend was showing it to me is he mentioned that when you plug the robot, don't plug it on a demo account. Unfortunately, the way classic forex trader set it up is you cannot backtest it. For me, because I also make robots and stuff on our other channel, for me that's not a good thing. That's why I have not jumped in to plug it onto my chats yet, or my accounts. I'm opening a new account with my Forex broker. You can do that with just $5. The link is in the description box below, so that I can test this robot and see if it does what it does. I'm not going to plug it onto my main account because you cannot test it on a demo account. That's how we set it up. For me, it's kind of worry there that you cannot back test it, because then what is he hiding? But anyways. So you're going to go to your MetaTrader 4, and you're going to go to File, Open Data Folder. Then we are going to install it into our MetaTrader 4, and we are going to go. We said the indicators, they are not available for MT4, they are only going to be available for MT5. So we are going to go into MQL4, and we are going to go and take the robots for MetaTrader 4. We just copy, highlight and copy, highlight and copy. And we are going to go into experts. I'm going to go into my experiments folder. I'm not going to trade with this robot for now. Hopefully my auto trader is off there. So I'm just showing you how to install it, how you are going to install it. That's that. We know where we are, so we have put it in into our experts folder. Then we go back to the robot, to the folder, Sophia folder, and we are going to look for library, and we are going to come back here. Here it says libraries, and we are going to copy and paste in libraries. That should be that, and then you just take the template. Where's the template? You just take the template and put it in your templates folder. That should be that. Then yeah, my auto trading is off, thank goodness. Then after that, you are going to come to your navigator, and we're going to go into our expert advisors, my experiments folder. So always remember where you put it. Then we are going to refresh. Some people prefer to close their MT4, MT5 together, but I prefer to right click and refresh. It has got same effect. Then the robot will what? The robots will show up. What's happening with my MetaTrader 4 there? Okay, it's working now. So now we can see the robots what are there. The robots are there, big screen, small screen. Let's start with small screen. Let's drag it and we put it there. You can see that's Sophia. Then allow live trading, allow the imports. Guys, you do what you want to do with this thing. I believe many people have said that it blows accounts. Some people say it works, some people say it blows accounts. So be careful, be careful. Don't put it on your main trading account. If you need a small account to test it on, my broker, you can open an account, a real account, with just $5. The link is in the description box below. I said the way that Classic Forex Trader set it up is you cannot back test this thing on a demo account for some reason. For me, that's a worrying element to it, but anyway, so it is what it is. So those here we can put the inputs. You can see if you have been following what we have been doing with our other channel, how we have been developing these robots, this is familiar to you. So my thinking is this was made with that EA builder that we have been using. If you don't know what I'm talking about, visit that channel. The link is in the description box below, where we have been building Forex robots. It's called Forex EA Trader. So there are inputs and stuff that you can want to play with. Here you can set the magic number. Yeah, then I think these are the boxes that pop up, the objects that pop up on your screen. You can set the sizes. Then serial key. Yes, where is the serial key? Actually, there's nothing. You can put in any serial key and it will work. Let me demonstrate. Random numbers. If you also want, I'm just pressing random numbers there. Let's see if it's going to work. Let's see if it's going to work. See, it's working. It's working. Of course, here, so you can read some of his rules when it comes to trading with this Sophia Forex robot, whatever. You can see some of his rules. Don't run this robot without reading installation guide. A trading plan is required before using this. Kindly refer to our guide. Don't risk more than 2% of your available capital, and then blah blah blah, and things like that, and things like that. Okay. Then let's see if it's working. But I don't want to start auto trading with this thing. Here you can see our face is frowning. Let's turn on auto trading. Now I'm worried with my account, because I wanted to first of all open a small account for that's $5, so that I can test this before I give it. Let's just see. Let's just see. The face is frowning. It says price action mode. This is the small screen. Maybe we are going to have to see what price action deactivated. If you click on that, it says price action active. Maybe let's try the bigger screen mode. Let's try the bigger screen. We come back here. Where's the big screen? Big screen, drag and drop. Again, serial key. Just put in any random number. Whatever you choose. I found that any random number actually works, and we just tick allow DL imports, allow live trading, and basically that's it. Again, you just read that through, and it looks like it's working. So let's see, like what he demonstrated. It demonstrates signals. I guess it's looking for signals right now. I don't know if we're going to get any signals anytime soon, but maybe you have to leave this thing for some time in order for it to generate signals for you. Let's deactivate signals, deactive. Remove that. Price action mode. I don't exactly know what some of this means. If you probably know how to best trade with this robot, leave your ideas in the comment section below. So, but yeah, you can see the robot is working. I don't know the difference between mini screen active and full screen active. What did it do now? When I said full screen active, it sort of disappeared. I don't know what's going on now. Does this mean the robot is gone? Or did I click something that I shouldn't have clicked? Let's put it back on. Let's put it back on. Allow the ALL imports. Again, serial number, any random numbers. and we say okay. Again, we are back on. So our robot is smiling, which means he's probably doing something in the background. I think where you need to be careful is where it comes to auto trading. I think that's where the disaster is. If you just allow it to do auto trading, I don't know. I've honestly never really paid attention to how classic forex trader uses this, but I'm keen to just test it out, but not on this big account. That's why I'm not keen on just pressing auto trading there. So yeah, maybe it works for you, maybe it doesn't work for you, I don't know, but the person who gave me this thing, it was working on their chart. So good luck with that. You can see seems everything is working. Seems everything is working. So yeah, test it out and tell me what you think. Unfortunately, like I said, this thing apparently does not work on demo accounts. So yeah, my broker, you can open a $5 account and you can test this thing on that account. Otherwise, the folder is everything that you need: MT5, MT4 templates, the robot for MT5, the robot for MT4, and the indicators for MT5 for people who want to trade synthetic indices and all those other things. Otherwise, I think let's end the video here. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Check you in the next videos, guys. Bye.